Water. Clean, clear, great-tasting water. It can make or break your business. No matter what food service business you're in, your reputation and recipe depend on consistency and quality of water. The right water can help you transform an average cup of coffee into an explosion of Java bliss, or your soup du jour into the soup of the year. And we believe that your customers deserve the best possible water. At Everpure from Pentair Water Solutions, we deliver water you can trust and have since 1933. Our team of experts across the globe are dedicated to delivering solutions that filter and improve water so each recipe shines. We provide solutions that help protect water-using appliances against undue wear and tear, helping provide peace of mind and a better bottom line. And with cutting-edge products addressing contaminants like lead, scale, and PFAS, Everpure continues to set the innovation standard for higher quality water in places like restaurants, coffee shops, offices, hotels, and schools. We are committed to partnership, working to test, learn, and tune in custom water quality solutions for each unique food service operation. We provide water analysis and diagnosis through installation and maintenance. And we care about our customers' commitment to water conservation, energy efficiency, and waste reduction, because your impact goals are our goals. We do this so people can enjoy food, drink, and water on the go and trust in their choice. They can stop in for their favorite iced beverage after a long week and reflect on what's next. And at closing, you can rest easier knowing that what was served up today was the best it could be. Everpure from Pentair Water Solutions. Water you can trust since 1933.